This is not a skincare routine. This is not a go out and buy everything kind of video. It is what you have, which is primer, concealer, and your foundation, and a little makeup brush, and you're good to go. So keep on watching to see how I do this, which isn't much, but yeah. Yeah, so today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do a perfect kind of base to cover these. Like, I've just broke out so bad, it's annoying. Look how bloody red this is. Look at it. And then I got a little one here, and the usual kind of ones around about. Yeah. Look at it. I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible base. It is a thick base, so you just need that much. That is actually probably way too much. That looks weird. And I'm just going to smooth that around my cheeks with one hand. And my forehead. And then with the other one, I'm going to just gently go over those spots and tap it in to place. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Palette. It is in medium, and I'm going with this kind of skin color. It actually looks pretty orange on camera, but it is a skin color. And I'm using the P. Louise brush. I'm going over. So I'm doing a little cross and then a star kind of. So down, side, down, down. So it is basically just like a little star. But the spots you're wanting to hit it at every single angle. So that's why I do the star. So then you're kind of flattening it down because it's all going to be on one kind of level whenever you do the star instead of just patting it on and then leaving it, and then you get all the crusty bits at the side. And then we'll go with this big one, So down, side, and then a star. Star, D, 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 tapped. And to bring these up closer for this one. Down, across, this side, up. And that is basically, that's how I cover the spots with a concealer. I like to use a cream concealer for spots just because it is a lot thicker than just using a little liquid kind of one, because the liquid one is probably going to be very sheer. I'm going to cover these spots because we do not want them. That's why you're on this video. That's why I'm doing this. Yeah, then you can just literally go on with your normal foundation. I use the L'Oreal. I get 3 for 2 on L'Oreal. Don't judge. Go for it. Normal foundation is the L'Oreal True Match. It's in the colour Golden Beige. Whenever I have tan on, it is in the colour Golden Beige. If I don't have tan on, then it's in Vanilla Rose. So I'm just going to go around the rest of my face, and then whenever it comes to the spots bit, I can talk you through what I do. Okay, so whenever you've done the rest of the face and you're coming to the spots bit, instead of like, you know, swiping it on or going really rough with it, I like to just pat it on. So then you're not lifting up any of that concealer. So for powder, I'm using my usual RTMA No Colour powder. It is awesome. I'm just gonna wipe that all around my face until it comes to the spots. So whenever it comes to the chin, where it has all those extra heads, I'm just gonna pat it on. Yeah, and that is how I cover up my spots. Now you can see here, like you really can't notice that there's any spots there. This one you can still slightly see it. The lip one is fine, especially whenever you're going to be putting on like some lip gloss or anything like that, which I'm going to do. So I'm just going to stick on a bit of the Freedom Pro Melts in the shade Neutral. To go with your normal lip shape, so don't be like trying to cover the spot when you do not need to, because that brings more attention to it and we don't want the tension. And to finish off, if you're wanting it to last all day or night, then just stick on some MAC Fix Plus. Just so then these stay under control. Yeah, so just finish off the video with my top tips. Use a thicker base. The best kind of bases would be a gel texture to it. Tip number 2 is use a little tiny brush with a thick concealer instead of a liquid concealer. So I'll show you the difference. The Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer just kind of stays on there, pretty thick, stays in place. Compared to, you guessed it, L'Oreal True Match. L'Oreal True Match concealer, which is very, very watery and light. And if I drag this, it just goes very watery and just moves about the place like so much. Whereas this stays in place. Then tip number 3, the direction in what you're doing it. So make sure you do the line down, cross, and then like a little star. And that just covers every single angle. Then you can pat it in around the sides instead of just patting it, lifting up that product, moving it about, lifting it up. We want it all directed. The middle where you meet all those lines is your spot. It's getting covered every single angle. Get so excited about that. Yeah, tip number 4, whenever you're doing your foundation, make sure you pat it on instead as well as your powder. Pat it on, don't be scraping it on, don't be getting it because that's going to move your concealer. Don't want that, want it to stay in place. Tip number 5, if you're wanting to stay all day, use some setting spray. That rhymed, I am pretty proud, thank you. Yeah, so use some setting spray to put it on. It doesn't have to be MAC Fix Plus. Like, I mean, there's some really good setting sprays out there for like a $5. Go get them, okay? Oopsie. Still Infallible. Come up on camera. Hello. So it is, ooh, I have diamonds all over me. How? And get me the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Contour Palette. Yeah. We're wanting to cover these spots because they are Satan. I had lip gloss out. I don't know what I'm doing with it. I wish they would leave my face. Anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please like it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!